Welcome to Saw Masters, where you'll see powerful chainsaws, giant tree trunks, and the world's most advanced forestry machines. From chainsaws to heavy forestry equipment, we bring you the most realistic and impressive images of the world of logging. Explore now. The massive chainsaw roared as it cut through the thick bark of the ancient tree. Sawdust flew everywhere as the workers focused on adjusting the direction of the fall. As the final cut was made, the tree tilted slowly, making a loud bang as it hit the ground. Workers carefully operated the chainsaw to cut down the tree, but a small mistake could have led to serious consequences. Instead of falling in the expected direction, the tree suddenly leaned towards the house. And then, disaster struck. With a strong impact, the roof collapsed, creating a chaotic scene.
Here it comes.
Workers wearing safety harnesses, suspended in mid-air, use chainsaws to cut large branches of a tree trunk. Gently making the final cut, the wood falls below to the roar of the engine, creating a tense and technical scene. With the modern remote control system, the operator can control the Carlton 7015 TRX remotely, safely, and efficiently, ensuring the stump grinding job is done accurately and quickly.
Faster harvesting, higher output. The feller buncher at Expo Forest efficiently processes multiple trees in record time, meeting the demands of large-scale logging operations.
The Tigercat 635 is a heavy-duty six-wheel, all-wheel drive log tractor that delivers maximum traction and maneuverability over rough terrain. With its advanced drivetrain and high durability, it is the ideal machine for large-scale logging operations. Equipped with a powerful engine and modern hydraulic system, the Rotten H21D is capable of operating durably on all terrains. The large harvester head helps the machine harvest wood quickly, optimizing exploitation productivity. The Rotten F10D is a medium-sized log transporter with a high payload, which helps to collect and transport wood quickly from the forest to the staging area without interrupting the logging process. With its sturdy design and high hydraulic pressure, WOJ Tech can easily split hardwood logs, saving users time and effort.
The two-stage wood splitting system allows wood to be split into different sizes in one cycle, optimizing the processing of firewood efficiently. Equipped with the intelligent CBI IntelliGrind control system, the CBI 6800 CT Landwehr can automatically adjust the chipping speed according to the type of wood, helping to reduce fuel consumption and increase blade life. Advanced dust filtration technology helps to minimize pollution, providing optimal working performance and being environmentally friendly. The Woodmiser LT40 chainsaw is operating in the middle of a sawmill. The sharp saw blade glides smoothly through the large log. The operator controls the machine precisely. Each board is created. The sound of the machine running echoes throughout the space, mixed with the characteristic aroma of freshly cut wood. As the truck crosses an old wooden bridge, the structure gives way, rear wheels plunge into the stream below in a heart-pounding moment. Mounted on a massive barge, the large crane reaches down into the river, gripping floating logs with its hydraulic claw. One by one, the heavy timbers are hoisted up and laid firmly onto the deck of the barge with precision and power. The large crane lifts the logs from the barge, hoisting them high into the air and carefully placing them onto the truck. The power and precision of the crane ensure each log is positioned perfectly for transport.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. See you in the next Saw Masters Adventures.